In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Steam games in your PC. So as an example here, you have your Steam opened, and if you go, as example, to your library and click on downloads. So here's an example, normally you should find anything that is downloaded. Also, if you go and click on home, you should find example here on this left panel, all the games that you have in your library, but that does not mean that they are downloaded in your PC as example. So if I go and click on any game like this one, an example, you'll find an install option. And of course, if it is installed, you'll find the play button. So if it is installed and you wanted to install this, just go to the same game. Let's say example this one. And if you right click to it, you'll find manage. And in this manage example, you'll find an install option. So at the moment, I don't have it because I don't have the game downloaded. But for you, if you have it downloaded an example, you'll be able to right click, manage, and install. As simple as that. Of course, this will work for all the games that you have downloaded. You can go to manage and then of course install. You can even remove it from your account if you want to without any problem. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.